Hi guys, welcome to a new location, day 3 here in Albania, and today we are going to have a beautiful hike here in the Theth region. The village of Theth is located in the heart of the Albanian Alps and it's pretty difficult to reach. It's a 2.5-hour ride from Skøder, but on small difficult paths, difficult roads. We got here last night. And so today we are going to do an 11-kilometer hike. It's going to take us 6 hours to get back here, and we're now going to make ourselves ready, go for breakfast, check out and start our hike. So time to say goodbye to our wooden house room. Look how beautiful the landscape of Theth is. Fresh mountain water. We are 5 minutes into our walk and we're already lost. Now we are going back to the village of Theth. We don't know the route yet. So Noah, the first guy, he already lost the way. He was a Boy Scout all his life, but now he has difficulty finding the way. But yeah, what can you do?
I think he's retired now.
He's
because
retired?
he can't find the way.
From Boy Scouts.
Never trust your cell phone. Always trust the mind and the nature and the compass.
Ignore him. Ignore him.
Doesn't work.
Ignore him.
At the moment
He doesn't
now,
have a moral
He's
compass.
a crazy
I
lefty.
put my compass on the north and we just go bunking straight ahead.
His
I know
moral
everything.
compass is broke, so don't follow him.
Bear Grylls 2.0.
So I guess this is not the official trail, but we have to find a way to the river.
Bunking, bro. We're bunking.
I told you guys 6 hours it's going to be, but now I think it's maybe 8-9 hours. It's the first time we have to rely on the guy in the back. This vacation, and yeah, it's not working out very well. And here you have the beautiful church of Theth. This church symbolizes this village. All the beautiful pictures you can find of Theth. Now we have to follow the river. Look how beautiful, and this is the trail that we have to follow. 4 kilometers. We have to hike up on trails like this. Look at this stunning view. We're almost at the top. And there in the valley lays the village of Theth. Look, Tommy, influencer in the wild.
Yes,
There.
Do they envy for a collaboration?
What? A collaboration?
Collaboration.
Show me your muscles.
Show me your muscles, please. This is beautiful, this viewpoint. And there, the Albanian Alps on its best. And now most of the hike is going down the mountain. So it's another 6 kilometers. Wow, amazing. Check this out. On top of the world. Small correction. Now we are on top of the walk on top of the mountain. We thought we were already there 20 minutes ago, but it will be at the cross. There is the top of the hill, and yeah, just a beautiful climb, especially the last hour was very amazing. And now we have to go back down the mountain. There is the village of Theth and this beautiful mountain range.
Benieuwd waar we straks opkomen. Ja, goed.
This place is so beautiful. Breathtaking views. So peaceful, this place. We are running the last 3 kilometers to Theth because we are all very hungry. And here we have a beautiful waterfall 1 kilometer from Theth. Here we are back in beautiful Theth. We made it. Now let's go eat something right over there. So we all ordered some pizza salami, 2 pizza margaritas, and we have a beautiful view here. So it were some great pizzas. Now we paid 33 euros, 3,300 Albanian lek, and I'm just changed my clothes because we have a long car ride ahead, 3.5 hours to Cluj, and there is a small shop here in Theth.
A really good driver. He's
He can drive. He just has no brain. He just think.
No, Max Verstappen 2.0.
100 kilometers an hour. This road.
Babushka.
He doesn't have any brain cells left. The brain cell has left the chest.
At the moment I'm
And
driving.
now what we are doing?
At the moment I'm driving 30, max 40. setup, please.
It's crazy. So somehow I lost the audio of the last part of this video, but we arrived at Korea camping where we'll stay the night. We have 2 tents available, so we did our usual rock paper scissors to conclude who can have a tent for his own. Tommy was the lucky one this evening and I have to share the tent with Noah. After that we had a friendly chat with the owner of the camping while his wife was making dinner for us. Then we watched the sunset and we ate some delicious Albanian food. As a starter, she gave us homemade tomato soup and the Albanian version of a shopska salad. The main dish consists of kofte, which are meatballs, birek and salsikotsi, which is the Albanian version of the Greek tzatziki. We paid 40 euros and it was really worth it. After that we went immediately to bed because tomorrow is a new day full of exciting things. Please give a like, drop a comment, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in another location. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.